Emerging trend real estate is one of the most highly regarded yearly outlook for real estate industry, published jointly by PricewaterhouseCoopers and Urban Land Institute. They survey the industry participants to rate the markets for investment and development across property types. And here are the hottest markets to watch for in 2026. Dallas, Jersey City, Miami, Brooklyn, Houston, Nashville, Northern New Jersey, Tampa, Manhattan, Phoenix. Who brings the next big wave? Baby boomer. The aging of baby boomer generation is arriving in a meaningful way as the first baby boomer turns 80 years old in 2026. The demand for senior housing is tilting upward. Developers are diversifying offerings from active adult communities to wellness focused and tech enabled facilities.